What's up guys? Coast here. Another awesome day today guys. I'm very excited to show you the brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max, and in this video let's unbox it and see what's new. Before we do that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's move further on. So you might wonder, why is there no plastic wrap on the box? So answer is, my excitement took it off and ruined the video. But still I managed to control myself and let the phone untouched. So here's the Sleeping Beauty. Actually got this one in silver, but it more kinda looks like a frosty white, and those shiny stainless steels border kinda scratch more easily. So before getting into the phone itself, let's see what do we get in the box, because there's something new waiting. So this is designed by Apple in California. The paperwork, this thing includes a quick start guide, the SIM ejection tool, warranty card information, and the set of white Apple stickers. And those are actually a massive one because this is a bigger model of iPhone 11 Pro. So this time you get something new within the box. This might look similar to you, and actually also the earpods look kind of similar because these are the old lightning earpods, because this phone again does not have the 3.5 mm jack, and that small adapter, that 3.5 mm to lightning, isn't available here because they know you're coming from an iPhone X8 series which already did not have the headphone jack. And of course there's something new that is called a lightning to USB type C cable. Of course this phone isn't the USB type C port, you still have the lightning cable, but we got this because the fast charger is included within the box itself, and nothing in the box except all this accessories. Then here's the 18-watt fast charger. Is the same fast charger from the iPad Pro 2018 you get with, and it really charges really fast your iPhone. This is my experience, I'm telling you guys. So let's get back to the phone, the fidget spinner guy over here. So it looks kind of similar like the iPhone
Shit.
10, 10s
Here we go
Max
again.
all the way. This is the most satisfying part now. Take a look at this. Okay, so the back of the phone is changed, but the front looks very similar. So if we go to the back, okay, first let's reboot it for the very first time. Okay, while it's rebooting, let's see the things on this phone, the physical changes and everything like that. So the first thing first, we are right now on the setup page of this new iPhone, and this kind of looks similar from the front, the stainless steel borders, those antenna bands, and this is the new thing called matte finish plus 3 cameras, telephoto, wide and ultra wide. The speaker grills and everything looks really same like the iPhone 10s and 10s Max. So let me set it up and I'll be right back to the phone. So I set it up, the $1,100 fidget spinner, but the sad thing is you cannot spin it. So another Face ID device, dude, and it's better than previous one because you can unlock this from various angles now. Don't see the password. Okay, now we are in the home screen, the default home screen, and actually the display is very bright. Normally it goes up to 800 nits, and those viewing angles look really good actually. And let me show you this live wallpaper for the iPhone silver one actually. So when I just saw the camera design for the very first time, so it kind of sucked because it was ugly, but when I got this phone and to see it in my own hands in person, I got to know the camera design isn't that ugly. So that means if you are a true Apple user and thought same like me, then I must admit you need to touch it, to hold it, to appreciate it. So that is guys the brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, press the like button to let me know. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more because there's a lot more videos coming out in future. Peace out.